Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and this is my simple stamping and paper crafts day. So today I'm sharing a really quick and easy treat bag, and it's actually like a little treat pouch, and I'm using the Stampin'Up 3x6 gusseted cellophane bags for this, which makes it very quick and easy. And I'm going to show you the Halloween one. Since we're closest to Halloween, I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to do it the opposite. I'm going to do a pumpkin pie with the yellow at the top, but everything's done the same. And the stamp set that I'm using is the tags. Oh my goodness, this is a perfect set if you love making treat boxes and bags and little treat gifts, because it has Halloween, it has Valentine's Day, it has Christmas on here. It covers a bunch, and then it even says bring on the merry. That's so cute. You can even use that for anything. But it's super cute, and it does come with dies, and the dies are the Trio of Tags dies, and they come like this. So they cut out all three at one time. Now I'm not gonna run it through. I'm gonna stamp it for you, but I'm not gonna run it through the Big Shot, because I was making some thank you cards, and I made a bunch of them, and I have a bunch of these already cut out. So I'm just going to show you how they stamp, and you just need to get the framelits and run it through, and it's so perfect for this. And then I am using the stitched shapes, and I'm using the largest of the oval to cut the window, but you can cut the window whatever size you want, whatever ovals you have. It's just doesn't matter. It's all your preference. So we are creating these. I put some little, I thought they'd be cuter if they had just the red and white, because these candy canes are red and white, but these are the only ones that I had on hand. And you can see that I colored the tag like striped to match the ribbon. And that ribbon this is all new stuff from Stampin' Up, from the new holiday catalog. And also the designer series paper I'm using on this is the Night Before Christmas, and this is awesome. If you love retro, you're gonna love this paper. So this is from that. And remember, I am not going to put designer series paper on this one, so always remember to match your paper before you run it through the Big Shot to cut your oval. So let's get started with this. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the gusseted bag, and I'm not sure I have enough candy to totally fill it, but I got some candy corn. I already have that bag full. And we can even use, like, you can use M&Ms or any kind of treat that you like to put in there. They have Halloween M&Ms out now, and all different kinds of Halloween candy you could fill it with. But we're just going to put what I have in here, and we are going to cut about 1 inch off of the top of this. So I am going to get my trimmer. And we are going to cut about 1 inch off of there so that the bag is a little bit smaller. Alright, so you are going to need a piece. This is the pumpkin pie. It's 11 inches by 3.5, and then you need another piece that is 3.5 by 2, and this is for the top, the closure that we're going to use for that. Alright, so on this one, on the 11-inch one, we are going to score this at 5 and at 6. And then we are going to, on this one, we are going to score this at 1 inch on the long way, on this long side here. And that's all our scoring. This is so easy. Alright, so I'm going to show you, before we put this all together, I'm going to show you how I stamp this, because I do use my Stamparatus, because I found that there's so much like territory on here to cover that it's a lot easier if you use your Stamparatus and you can stamp it over and over, because all of it doesn't always want to stamp perfectly, because there's so much I wanted to call, I guess, real estate to cover. But so I am going to stamp that, press it down. So I suggest using your stamping tool for this. And all I have to do is maybe stamp a couple more little areas. So one more time. But that's what I mean. If you do it by hand, you may be having a few issues getting that totally covered, because there's so much here. So that looks good. So we're going to do that. And what you're going to do next is run it through the Big Shot with your dies. I'm going to wipe these off because I don't want to get it all over there, because I'm going to use these little tags. And then you're ready to go. You have your little, it's all about the candy, which is super cute for this. Now I'm using Daffodil Delight and I'm using Pumpkin Pie in the blends, and we are going to just color this. And then we're going to do, and you can color it however you like. If you want to leave the top white, and I just did it this way because I thought it was super cute. Alright, so we are going to run this one through the Big Shot. So I'm going to grab the Big Shot and my large. I need to turn this Big Shot around. I'm going to use my large oval. And really at this point it doesn't matter which side you cut it from. I do set it a little bit further down towards the bottom, because I want to put the top part on. So we're going to run that through. So this is a perfect treat box if you are a beginner, not box, but treat pouch. And then save that because it has the stitching, and you can make a really cute card or something with that. And on this one, what I like to do is I just like to run a little piece of snail along the top here to keep it closed. So I usually just put a little bit of snail there to keep that closed, and then I'll run snail down here to hold it on here. And then you just pull that up. And on this one, we are going to use our corner rounder, and I'm still using our old corner rounder, but whatever you have to round the corners. And we're going to put, I'm going to use Fast Fuse. I would use tear and tape or something for this part, only on half of that. And you're going to add this to the back here. Now when you're adding this, don't go over your score mark or it won't close properly. And then this is going to fold over like that. And I am going to use my big hole punch because there's several layers we're going through. And every time I bring this out, I always forget what it's called. But I've had it for years and years. And we are going to punch holes in here. And what I like to do is use my pencil and try to mark first where I'm going to put the holes. So let me grab my pencil here really quick. And we're going to put them right here so I can see where I'm punching this. I know one of you will tell me what this is called, because you're always so good about that. And I can never remember. Alright, so there are our holes. I am going to use this glittered organdy ribbon, and we are going to string this through. I may need a little help here. We're going to tie a bow, and then I am going to use baker's twine to add the little tag. It's so quiet in my house today. My husband is watching football, and it just seems like it's so quiet in here today. So I'm getting some work done. Alright, so there's our little bow, and then I'm going to use some baker's twine, and we're going to attach our little, it's all about the candy. There's so many cute little sentiments and stuff for these. This is a must-have set if you love boxes and bags. I cannot talk today. It has been like this all day. It's one of those days. Isn't it cute though? I mean, oh, this tag is just adorable. And you can hide your knot if you like them hidden. I usually do hide my knots, but there you go. Look how quick and easy. And of course you want to fill it up with candy, because what is it without having some good candy in there? So that's that, and then here is our other one for Christmas. So you can do these so many different ways and use them for so many different little occasions. So I hope you enjoyed it today, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.